Hello and welcome to my brief video. This afternoon we're going to look at the new Zimmer Biomet portal, a great way for you to place orders online. So first things first, we need to log in to the new Zimmer Biomet portal. So I have my own credentials, and of course I have a password that's going to give me secure access into the Zimmer Biomet portal. Straight away, I can see that, in fact, I have 30 orders that I have previously placed on the Zimmer Biomet portal. So, of course, it's great that if I want to refer back to an order that I placed last week, I can see the items that I ordered, and I can see that where that item was delivered. But for today, all I want to do is I want to go through the process of creating a new order. So I can see right at the top of the home screen, I have the ability to enter a new portal order. In fact, I've actually got 3 ways that I can place a new order within the Zimmer Biomet portal. And you can see these across the top of the screen. So I can add a new item, so I can build up my order based on individual lines. I could take an order draft, if you like, and I could create a new order from a draft that I had previously saved. And then finally, I could take information that I have in an Excel spreadsheet and I could upload that into the Zimmer Biomet portal. So let's start with the sort of line by line basis of creating an order, if you like. So of course, I have a product catalog. So I'm able to search the product catalog based on if I know the material reference or the reference code for the particular material that I'm trying to buy. Of course, if I wanted to search a particular brand or a particular title of product, then I can certainly do that by using the search capability that's available within the Zimmer Biomet portal. I could also, if I have a barcode scanner attached to my PC, then I could use the barcode scanner as a way of capturing the barcode that's attached to my Zimmer Biomet product. Let's just choose one more product before we finish. So let's choose the material code that I can order. And again, you can see how easy it is for me to search the product database. Of course, I can change the quantity. So maybe I want 5 of these and maybe I want 4 of these, not 1 of these. I can also add in my order number. And of course, I can, and that's a mandatory field, so I can make sure that I enter that. And if I had a different delivery address, I could select that at this stage. So on my system, I only have a single delivery address, but if I had more, then of course I could change the delivery address for my product. And that's it. And I'm ready to order. So I can see right at the bottom of the screen, I have an order button that's going to take all of the information contained on the screen that I've just built up and is going to submit that electronically to Zimmer Biomet customer service, ready for that order data to be injected directly to their SAP system. And I think you can see that previously I had 30 orders. I've now got 31. So I know that I have submitted another order through the Zimmer Biomet portal. So let's place another order. So again, let's use the second option. And if you remember, this is all about taking a previous order and modifying it slightly. So I've actually set up a little template here for my regular order, my regular stocking order. So I can select a previous order and I can see the 6 line items that were part of that original sales order. So here's my 6 line items. Of course, I can change quantity. So if I wanted 13 instead of 3, of course I can do that. If I wanted to remove an item, that's again very straightforward for me to do. And if I wanted to add an item as I did previously, again, that's very, very easy for me to do. But really, that's all I need to do. And of course, I'm going to put my my order number, and then I'm going to place my order directly with Zimmer Biomet. So again, that order will be transmitted through to Zimmer Biomet customer service, and then ultimately all of that order data will be pushed into their SAP system. So let's place one final order. So again, this is all about maybe I have an Excel spreadsheet. In fact, I have one here. And maybe I want to take all of the items on my Excel spreadsheet and place that on the Zimmer Biomet portal. So all I have to do, I select my order items, I copy it to my clipboard, and then I move directly to back to the Zimmer Biomet portal. I can now select clipboard, and of course I can paste the items that I've previously had in my clipboard or in my Excel sheet, and I can show just to make sure that that's going to be imported correctly. So here you can see my 5 items, and all I need to do is to add those line items into my portal order. So the system will do that for me. Of course, I could make changes. So if I wanted to change the quantity, or if I made a mistake and I wanted to remove one, I can do that. But really, for the purpose of demonstration, all I'm going to do is enter my purchase order number, check that everything is correct, and simply pass the order directly to Zimmer Biomet customer service.